today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup N8n quickly and safely. This will take less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the official N8n website. Once you're on the home page, click the sign in button at the top right and log into your account. After signing in, you land on your main dashboard where all your workflows are stored. Now, select the specific workflow you want to backup and open it inside the editor. Once it's open, look for the three-dot menu in the top corner. Click it and choose the download option. This instantly downloads a JSON file of your workflow, which is the complete blueprint you'll need if you ever want to restore it. Next, let's talk about backing up your credentials. These are extremely important because they store all your connections to external services. Credentials can only be exported using CLI commands on self-hosted N8n setups. So, if you're self-hosting, open your command line, run the export commands provided in the N8n documentation, and save those files securely. Once you've backed up both your workflow JSON files and your credentials, store them safely, preferably in secure cloud storage, with encryption to prevent data loss. Regular backups ensure you can recover quickly from errors, migrations, or accidental deletions. And that's it. Your N8n backup is complete. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.